Hi, this is Eric Sloev and I'm at the Solution Exchange and I'm standing right next to Martin Mackay. Hi Martin, how are you?
Eric, I'm very good. Delighted to talk to you.
Great opportunity to talk to the CEO of Neverfail. Neverfail is a company that you already may know from vCenter Heartbeat. vCenter Heartbeat was an OEM product of Neverfail and it enables you to secure physical but also virtual vCenter servers. But you're doing more, I believe.
Yeah, absolutely. So the relationship with VMware is really key, and as you say, they OEM our technology. But we also have, a similar product that is used by about 1,000 customers worldwide to protect their critical applications. So we guarantee no end user downtime with the core application. And as I say, that's deployed pretty widely across the world. We're thrilled to be here. And a big part of what we're doing with the VMworld exhibition is launching the new products as well.
So, what the difficulty in my eyes is where does your software stop with managing the infrastructure and where are you going to start managing applications? I've seen people restarting services on a virtual machine and suddenly the virtual machine was taken down because the service was stopped outside the software that is monitoring it. How do you cope with those problems?
So the core software that we have has got the relevant application intelligence. So what it will do is it'll detect any problem in the infrastructure, in the physical or virtual. It'll detect a problem with the application as well, which is a key thing. And so if that happens, then the software can be set automatically to fail over to the secondary or tertiary environment. Basically, you fix the problem and then you come back. So we have that application awareness that says, okay, we know that it's not just the infrastructure that's in trouble, but it's the application itself.
Simply stopping a service cannot be a cause for a failure application, or there has to be more?
Absolutely. I mean, we can detect if there's a problem and we'll fail over. So with any Windows-based application, if the end user, if there's a problem, the end user is not going to suffer any downtime. So it's very, very clever IP.
vCenter Heartbeat was a product that wasn't really targeted at virtual environments, but also could work in physical environments. The new product, is it more aligned in virtualization?
Well, I mean, historically we've worked in both physical and virtual environments, but the new product is actually a big development for us. It moves away from just core application protection to providing, if you like, intelligence, so IT operation intelligence about your IT continuity. So essentially what our customers told us was they had three problems. The first is that they needed really to understand what they had in their entire IT infrastructure. The second is they needed to understand how that IT infrastructure worked together, the dependencies, if you like. And thirdly, they needed a way in which they could justify the key investments in business continuity. It's typically what the business says is we need you to keep our IT infrastructure running 24/7, but we're not going to pay for it. So, that's the challenge a lot of our customers face. So the new product we developed, a product called IT Continuity Architect, essentially solves those three problems. It'll discover everything you have on your network. It'll give you a visual map of how everything interacts, interdepends, if you like. It'll tell you where your weaknesses are from an IT continuity perspective, and it'll then allow you to justify that investment to the business by saying, okay, you want this level of protection, this level of RPO, RTO, but in fact, based on what we've got today, we can't deliver that.
I can hear a lot of admins say already, well, another monitoring tool. How I am going to integrate this information in my current environment? How do you integrate in other products?
Sure. So, I mean, essentially what a lot of admins have today are tools that will go deep, sort of in the network, but they won't give that broad, holistic view. So what our customers have told us is that the Architect product, so our new product, basically, first of all, gives them a much broader view of their infrastructure and gives them that critical analysis of the interdependency. Now, today, we don't, in our first release, which is now available, we don't integrate, but we're looking at appropriate integrations, and obviously, we're talking very closely to the VC Ops team here because of the relationship we have with VMware. So, it's very complementary to the existing monitoring tools that are out there. It's not designed to replace them as such.
So also, did you also think of integrating it, for instance, with Login Site?
We've got a very ambitious roadmap, so we're going to be looking at any number of options here, and that's what our product management team is looking at. At the moment, we see this as a tool that will download as a virtual appliance, a plug into the vSphere environment. And then from there, it can be deployed, downloaded off the web, deployed seamlessly, and the discovery process and the dependency analysis process just can kick off automatically. So it's a very powerful tool that, our beta customers are saying this is something that is really filling a gap in their overall sort of IT operations toolset.
Okay, great, Martin. Many thanks for the interview.
My absolute pleasure, Eric. Thanks very much indeed. Really good to talk to you.